Ito na yung bago kong worst. Top.
Okay.
Like, Christina Hermosa is an angel now.
That's how bad it is? This one? This new one?
Kasi it's many levels. Professionalism, like financial. Anyway, okay, sige. Nanggigigil pa rin ako.
Wow. And kilala ko to.
Kilala mo to. Nag-guest na siya sa podcast.
Oh my God!
Kaya nga sabi ko, sure ka ba sa question na to? Kasi sabihin ko talaga, I'm very candid about these things.
Oh
and
my gosh.
This really happened.
Ano nangyari?
So, si Denise Julia.
Oh my gosh.
So, I have...
Wait, backstory. She was 4 hours late to the podcast.
Oh, I'm not surprised.
Yeah, so
I'm not surprised.
We've been through this.
Yeah.
And her as an artist, wow.
Yeah.
Her as a professional, no.
Yeah. And I have... And you can publish this, like, say her name, whatever.
Yeah.
I have heard so many bad things about her.
Yeah.
So many bad things about her. So I guess medyo kasalanan ko rin.
That you took the...
And I still took the job, and it wasn't really. It was more pang